Hello friend, this is my new product on Artstation website with this subject 20 pattern fabric, smart material plus PBR textures, 20 different kinds of fabric and leaf pattern that you can download in 2 different license, standard and extended commercial. Okay, when you download this collection with 20 cotton fabric and leaf pattern, you have 20 folder with the PNG format of preview, base color, height, metallic, normal and roughness. And this is important that you have the SPSM format, that is the smart material. I should mention that this package made by Substance Painter completely, and you can use these smart materials on the latest version of Substance Painter, and PBR material, PBR textures you can use on each software that accept the texture format. Okay, when you download this package, you have this zip format. When you open this format, you have 20 folder like this. You can right click on it and extract the file, and then you have this main folder. Open it like me. This is the preview. Okay, I can zoom that you see it's 2000% zoom, and this is the 64%, so it has the quality. Okay, this is SPSM, that is smart material. I drag it to the Substance Painter, the smart materials library or shelf, and I add it in smart material, and import resource is on, for example, project. Okay, import it. I have this smart material here on shelf, drag it on object. Okay, if it is not good for your object, because of the scale, you can open this group here and, for example, change the scale on properties from 1 to 3 or 4. I think 3 is good for me here. And pattern 2. Pattern is tileable, and you can add it 3, 5. See, this is completely tileable. Okay, you can change the scale and use here on Substance Painter and the PBR format on other software that support the textures in JPEG format. Thank you for download this, and I hope you enjoy this product.